Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Today I have an after dark clean with me. I had some decluttering to do in my kitchen as well as some dirty dishes and just cleaning up after supper. So if you like videos like this, then stick around. So to start off, I'm just loading up the dishwasher. These are the dishes that were used throughout the day, and shortly you will see me doing the dishes again after supper.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on a glass bowl.
So now I'm just going to declutter this area in my kitchen. This is called a recipe desk, and I get a lot of questions about it and a lot of comments. The paint that I used on these shelves and cabinets in my kitchen, it is the Annie Sloan Paris Gray chalk paint.
We're going up.
So now I'm just wiping down all of these shelves using my Method all-purpose cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. I only do this about once a month because really they don't get very dusty.
It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat.
Now I'm just putting the rest of the supper away, and my husband typically takes leftovers to work every day, and this day in particular we had crock pot chicken and dumplings, and if you're interested I will leave that linked above. And now I'm just loading the dishes in the dishwasher from supper, and I'm going to be using my 7th generation liquid dishwashing detergent. And if you didn't know this already, I love to clean out my sink, and I'm still trying to finish off this Caldrea dish soap. I think I have like one more use and then I'm finally done with it.
Tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
So once again, I'm using the all-purpose cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. I typically use 3 products in the kitchen and they are all Method. I will use the degreaser, the all-purpose cleaner that I'm using now, and the Anti-Bac in the Citron scent.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the
So I'm just using the multi-purpose cleaner on these stainless steel canisters. I've never used the Method Steel for Real or whatever it's called. Let me know what you guys think, if you've ever used the multi-purpose cleaner or the steel or both, and how would you compare the two? Now I'm just going to sweep with my Dollar General pink broom. I love this broom. And then I will follow using my dust mop and my Method Squirt mop in the Spearmint Sage. I get a lot of questions about which mop I use with my Method Squirt mop. This is it right here. It's very old. I've had it for 10 or 11 years. I don't know where it came from. I believe my mom gave it to me. It may have come from Walmart. I'm not really sure. You can find them online similar though, and I believe they're just called like a microfiber dust mop. Alright y'all, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you again to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye guys.